Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to create a Gmail account via laptop. Go to browser, type google.com, hit enter, select sign in option from top right, select create option from bottom. Either you can choose for my personal use or for my work or my business. For most of us is for my personal use. Type in your first and last name, hit next. Select your date of birth, gender, hit next. Now, either you can go with the suggested Gmail addresses or you can create your own Gmail address. You can name it whatever you like it, but it has to be an @gmail.com. Hit next. Type in your password, hit next. Now, this is important and mandatory step for all the new Gmail account. You need to type in your phone number to get a verification code. But if you are getting an below error, it means that this number has been used in the multiple Gmail account. Either you can delete the existing Gmail account or you can use a new phone number. But if you are not sure how to delete an existing Gmail account, please check my video. Link is in the description. Once you receive a verification code, this completes the entire process. You need to punch that code and your Gmail account has been created. Go to browser, select Gmail, and boom, your account has been created. Hit the subscribe button if you like it. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.